Just have it on to the back. Kitchen on down, I think. I ain't going down there. Ain't nothing going down there. I think that's going down in the town. It do look nice though. Chinatown in Birmingham. Chinese town. Not much to see around here. But all of this used to be parking lot. Now it's like buildings, apartments for the young, fresh millennium kids. Them young, what do you call them now? These new jobs just created, man. All these new AI jobs just created. Don't even say AI take up people, but all these for these young, fresh people. City life living, yeah. I try to get them a proper city life living. In Birmingham. But all of this, there used to be some parking lots over here. I remember I used to park down inside. But not much to see. I want to do around Chinatown and the train station. I think the next day I'm going to try and do down Dig Bedcote station. I'll see if I'll see. I'll pass on the train station because the train station been improved as well. Lots of things been improved in Birmingham city centre. I used to eat from this Chinese shop near my ex back in the days. Yeah. It's a little Chinese village like. You see, this Chinatown. You come in here, a lot of Chinese shopping here. Like, this is Chinatown, Birmingham. Really Chinese. Don't run for them, you know. Chinese chilling. Yes. Chinese chilling. Yeah, that's just Chinatown. Typical Chinatown in Birmingham. I think I need to take her some of the light. Chinatown. Water fountain. I need to clear some of that light. It's beautiful down there, man. This is beautiful. I think I need to cut down some of the lights off of this. Yeah, nice. I think I got this turned up too much. But this is a nice Chinese town. You know, I never actually come all the way. I probably did, but I don't remember. Come all the way down in there, like. But it's nice down there anyway. But yeah, I think I got my lights on. Too much exposure. Yes. Let me see. That's still too bright. Chinese town, Chinese supermarket. I come buy my Chinese something for me. I've been there in a while still. Then you got next spot over here. I think the first spot was where the clubs are at. They got this spot over here. Not much. It normally used to be, yeah. I worked over this side before. There's some, I think over this side closed. Yeah, I worked over this side before. It's like a couple restaurants and hairdressers and stuff. I got Chinese. Yeah. Look. China Court. I think my exposure too much. Turn on my exposure. But yeah, see, the road blocked off. You can't drive on that road no more. You can drive, go around and drive, go around. They block it all off. I ate a couple of these restaurants before. It's a while now. I ain't come down here to eat. A good long while now. But yeah, it's all changed up on me. See, they block off the road and done this pavement. That's why this never used to be like that. Used to be a look around the boat and you come up and come around. But yeah, it's all Chinese. Gambling club. Yeah. It's all looking nice still. And looking fresh. Casino, they love gambling, sushi, and all that shit. That bars down here. Young people come sit down, eat and drink. They redone down there as well, you know. They redone down there. Been there in a while, going, man. I'll see how long I stay if I can go in there. Birmingham New Street. Look at it. Massive. I don't know where to get in, how where I get in. How you even get in. I forgot you even get going there. That's all. Yeah, Birmingham New Street train station, change up, massive. Look at it. Five Guys, a lot of restaurant in here, Leon. That's the people going on the train now. We got Five Guys, Coffee Nerd. Train time. Might as well fast as hot. A seat to sit down. New Street. Okay. This is New Street train station for you. That must be an exit. I'm going to go back to that exit. How can I miss this bull? The bull ring. This is a massive, massive bull. Yeah. How can I miss that? I need to take a picture of that bull. I'm getting back out here. Yeah, they got a massive bull. The door. Way out. Nice and improved building. Train station for your people. That statue. And you come out, you come to TJ Maxx. All the big brand discount price. But normally old stock. You got festive, must for the Olympic. And what's that? Birmingham 22 Festival Commonwealth Games. Okay. That's what they improved it for. They improved town for the 2022 Commonwealth Game last year. And they spent a bag of money, bag of taxpayer money to improve it. Some people don't like it. I'm not no lie, I like improvements, so can't complain. I must try this one. That's good. Let's see how that setting is. But anyway, yeah, that's enough for the bull ring. Bull ring, wow.